Welcome. In this short video, you'll learn one of the most strategic actions you can take to grow your winning product sources, saving sellers to your watch list and building your army of competitors. Before you add anyone to your list, it's important to understand why this habit matters. So why build an army of competitors? Because every successful seller you track becomes a constant source of winning products without you doing the research yourself. Other sellers are already spending the time testing, listing, and proving what works. Your job is to follow the data. And in today's e-commerce world, data is the gold of the 21st century. The bigger your competitor database, the faster your results compound. When you track more sellers, you get more winning products every single day, more strategies and patterns to learn from, more selling opportunities with items that already succeed on eBay. And this is how you give yourself the highest chance of success with products proven to sell. So how do you actually build this competitor army? Let me walk you through it. Step 1, look for the detective icon and scan the right sellers. Whenever you see the detective icon on Zeek, click it to scan that seller. You'll get a full analysis, including their best-selling products. You can find the detective icon in many Zeek tools that analyze sellers, such as trending dropshippers and trending eBay products within the Market Insights dashboard, as well as product research, product explorer, and more. But here's something important to keep in mind as you explore the tool. The quality of your results depends on the relevance of the sellers you scan. If you dropship from AliExpress to eBay, focus on scanning other sellers who source from AliExpress. If you use Amazon or any other supplier, scan sellers using the same source. And if you sell inventory, private label, or work within a specific niche, scan competitors who follow your sourcing style or sell similar products. To get more accurate competitors, you can just adjust the seller settings in the Market Insights dashboard to match your business model. And Zeek will automatically tailor the results based on those settings. Step 2, don't scan once and walk away. If a seller is already successful, they will continue finding new winning products. So instead of copying a few items and moving on, save them and track them regularly. This is how you build an army of competitors working for you around the clock. Step 3, save the seller to your watch list. Click Save. Give them a name you'll recognize, for example, Amazon to eBay dropshipper with high profit margins, and then click Save Competitor. Step 4, open the Competitor Research tab and navigate to Watch List. As your list grows, this becomes your secret weapon, your personal database of sellers who keep producing new winning products for you, and all of them can be found in your watch list. The idea is simple. The more stronger competitors you save, the larger your database becomes, making it easier to find winning products on a regular basis. A key habit to build: scan your competitors every 2 weeks. Look for newly rising products, add them to your store, and explore the strategies those sellers use to push sales. This simple routine compounds your results month after month. Want to go deeper? If you want to learn how to find sellers based on your business model and master the competitor research tool, click the video here that you can find in the competitor research tool. It will show you smarter ways to discover competitors and sharpen your strategy even further. Thanks for watching. Now start building your army of competitors so you can scale and succeed on eBay the smarter way.